Bronchoalveolar carcinoma, or BAC, now known as adenocarcinoma in STU, is a form of non-small cell lung cancer that develops in the peripheral portion of the lung. BAC grows in the alveoli along the alveolar walls. The main invasive types of adenocarcinoma are lipidic predominant adenocarcinoma, which consists of a lipidic pattern with an invasion greater than 5 mm and no mucinous component. The second is invasive adenocarcinoma, which consists of any spreading adenocarcinoma with a mucinous component. BAC, or adenocarcinoma, has 5 stages, and this describes the extent of the cancer. It is based on the TNM scores, T standing for the size of the tumor, N whether the cancer has spread to the lymph nodes and how far, and M whether the cancer has spread or metastasized to other parts of the body. Depending on the TNM scores, BAC or adenocarcinoma can then fall into 5 different stages. Stage 0 being the cancer cells are only found in the lining of the airway or the air sacs of the lung. Stage 1, the cancer has then grown between 1 cm and 4 cm, but still remains within the lung it originally formed in. Stage 2, the cancer has grown now between 3 cm and 7 cm and may have spread to the lymph nodes near the bronchi. Stage 3, the cancer is still growing between that 3 cm and 7 cm mark, but it is now officially spread into surrounding lymph nodes. And finally, Stage 4, the cancer has spread to other parts of the body, or in other words, metastasized.
Mrs. B is an 82-year-old smoker who came in with a chronic dry cough and dyspnea. Her lungs have harsh Velcro-like rails that are heard on the left side near the tip of her scapula. Her chest x-ray showed progression of bilateral pulmonary infiltrates. Half of her lungs are filled with the mucinous secretion. BAC occurs when there is exposure to toxic substances like smoke, radon, and asbestos. Genetic mutations then occur, and this results in the proliferation of endobronchial cells. The exact signal that causes atypical bronchoalveolar cells to become invasive adenocarcinoma is currently unknown. This subtype of adenocarcinoma does not have evidence of stromal, vascular, or pleural invasion, meaning BAC does not invade or make solid tumors that go into the lung tissue. Instead, it is a lipidic or scale-like appearance, and that causes a thin lining that overlies the thin air sacs of the lungs, and this interferes with the ability of the lungs to exchange air, resulting in shortness of breath and cough. BAC can be variable and have tiny nodules, multiple spots, or involve large areas of the lungs. The more of the lungs that are involved, the more severe the symptoms will be.
Clinical features of BAC include shortness of breath, cough, chest pain, fever, fatigue, and weight loss. Clinical features that relate to our case study are persistent dry cough, shortness of breath, weight loss, and muscle wasting.
Due to BAC, Mrs. B has faced many activity limitations. She is no longer able to participate in her aquafit classes or walk long distances due to her cachexia. She is also having difficulty playing with her grandchildren and doing the stairs in her 2-story home. This is caused by her dyspnea. And finally, due to her persistent cough, she's finding singing almost impossible. Due to her activity limitations, Mrs. B has also faced a lot of participation restrictions. She no longer feels like an active member of her community, as she has stopped going to her church choir and aquafit classes. She is also having problems being the grandmother and the dog owner she used to, and living independently in her own home.